question is, how important is it to teach managers team building? And I think the most important thing to get from this is that removing emotion from the decision-making process is very challenging. It's hard to do. You have to know a lot of tips, tricks, tools, etc. And if you're not very good at communicating and collaborating effectively with one-on-one or whole groups of people, having some of these tips and tricks make a massive difference. So training managers in team building is monumentally important. It reflects on the level of culture, strategy, personal, professional relationships, buy-in, the list goes on and on and on. And inculcating how those managers lead their people creates a safe space, it creates a trusting environment, and it creates a place for people to really truly innovate and move the needle forward much further and faster and more efficiently than they would have otherwise been able to do. So I think it's very important to do that. Not to put myself out of a job or anything, but I think it's actually more important to do that than it is to teach individuals in an organization. Having the managers be able to spread that organically throughout an organization is absolutely the ticket.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments.